Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'll be doing a pearl pour and discussing all the basic steps that we need to take to get a perfect pearl pour. And this is inspired by Julie Cuts from Pouring Your Heart Out. The colors that I'm using are Deco Art Extreme Sheen, 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol, Liquitex Indian Yellow. Since this is heavy body, I used 1 part paint to 4 parts Floetrol, Liquitex Paint Grey. Added a tiny bit of this to the Naphthalene Carmine by Fine Touch. This paint is thick, so added 4 parts Floetrol, and the same for Fine Touch Mars Black. To all the mixtures, I have added a tablespoon of Liquitex pouring medium, and this is the consistency that I want to get for all the paints. And add water as desired in all of the paints to get the consistency like this, so it is forming the puddles and getting dissolved right away. I'm layering the 3 paints, the red, yellow, black, in a cup for the ring pour. And the idea is to have these paints little thinner than the Deco Art Extreme Sheen paint that will be used as a pillow and laid down on the canvas. So layering these 3 colors, as I'm pouring all the colors, you can get an idea of their consistency, and there is no silicone added. So I'm laying down the Deco Art Extreme Sheen on the canvas, a puddle in the middle and then on the sides as well. And in this Extreme Sheen, I had added a little bit of leftover Liquitex copper from the previous pour. And you can see there are small dents coming up, which shows that there is silicone and it was just accidental. I'm going to spread the paint a little bit. This is to ensure that some paint will rise up and form the pearls, and these pearls will be visible when the ring pour is done over the top of this. You can see that this paint is a little thicker than the other paints. So doing a ring pour, and I have added Liquitex pouring medium just to check if it gives a little bit of an extra gloss to my pours. I'm loving these rings that have showed up. And when you move the canvas, be very gentle and move in a circular motion. And stretch the paints over the corner of the canvas. This is what is going to result in pearls. Once the pearls start showing up, then do not try to reposition the paint or alter the composition. In this case, I would have loved my center to be a little bit lower, but I don't want to tilt because it will lead to wonky elongated pearls and they won't look good. So the three main things in order to get the perfect pearl pours. First, the pillow paint, in this case extreme sheen paints, they should be slightly thicker than the ring pour paints, but we need not to make the top layer or the ring pour paints too thin, otherwise the rings won't hold their shape and they will be not that defined. The second thing is spreading the pillow paint on the sides of the canvas and also stretching the ring pour paint over the corners of the canvas. If you want to experiment, you can add a drop of silicone in the extreme sheen paint. Here accidentally I had silicone in there. I didn't intend to, but I'm not sure if without silicone it will be the same results. Hopefully they should be. And the third thing is, once the pearls start showing up, do not tilt the canvas too much or try to reposition or change the composition, because it will lead to the elongated pearls and they may not look good. And lastly, if your first try is not successful, then please don't be disheartened and try again, and you will definitely learn from what went wrong. This is also my second try because in my first try I got the beautiful pearls, but accidentally I used the transparent blue paint. Because of that, the colors just sank and I didn't get any ring pours and it was all muddier. You can check that video too. I embellished it with a koi fish and the embellishment turned out really good. Please let me know how did you like this video, and please leave me your feedback, and please support and subscribe to the channel if you like the videos and the contents of the channel. So I'll be putting the finished results, the varnish results of all my paintings in my Facebook group. I have provided the link below, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.